The paper of the day is LeanStore, in-memory data management beyond main memory. Disk-based database systems use buffer managers in order to transparently manage datasets larger than main memory. This traditional approach is effective at minimizing the number of I/O operations, but is also the major source of overhead in comparison with in-memory systems. To avoid this overhead, in-memory database systems therefore abandon buffer management altogether, which makes handling datasets larger than main memory very difficult. In this work, authors revisit this fundamental dichotomy and designed a novel storage manager that is optimized for modern hardware. Their evaluation, which is based on TPCC and micro benchmarks, show that their approach has little overhead in comparison with a pure in-memory system when all data resides in main memory. At the same time, like a traditional buffer manager, it is fully transparent and can manage very large datasets effectively. Furthermore, due to low overhead synchronization, their implementation is also highly scalable on multi-core CPUs. Paper uses Berkeley DB 6.0 and WireTiger 2.9 to compare design with traditional buffer managers. They configured Berkeley DB and WireTiger to use B trees. For both storage managers, they disabled transactions, logging, compaction, and compression. Paper uses a number of in-memory experiments using TPCC. They use 100 warehouses, which amounts to 10 gigabytes, and a buffer pool large enough to encompass all of it. Let's look at the contributions of the paper. Paper presented LeanStore, a novel storage manager that is based on pointer swizzling, a low overhead replacement strategy, and a scalable synchronization framework. Their experiments show that this design has negligible overhead in comparison with in-memory data structures while supporting the same functionality as a conventional buffer manager. Now let's talk PS score for this paper. Overall, this paper is a decent read, so it gets 9 out of 10 on readability. With 12 pages long, it scores 9 out of 10 on length. It's an analysis of an existing system with pretty good description, so that makes it 9 out of 10. Its industry value and learnability is pretty high, so it gets 10 out of 10 on each. Overall PS score is 9 out of 10.